one of the things that have always occupied the minds of Jamaicans is the preservation and value of our natural assets. And our natural assets are under serious threat as we seek to exploit them to create economic wealth. And it is a perennial challenge, an eternal challenge between preserving our natural assets, such as was described as this pond system, which has not just the aesthetic value, but it serves a real value of protecting some economic assets which are just across the road. So, in a sense, there are some people who believe that exploiting our natural assets is, a form of wealth creation. But if it is done improperly, it is also a part of destroying our economic assets and wealth. So this pond system, as was described, is here for protection of people who live across the road, to protect their property. It prevents against flooding. It also provides for the birds and other species of animals that live here, for the flora and fauna that is here. It is clear that the government has to take legislative action in increasing the fines. And it's not just in the area of the environment, it is right across the board. What we are facing is that the society is advancing very quickly. Private initiative is moving very quickly. There is a threat to our social order, and we need to ensure that the legislative framework matches the energy that exists for growth and development, and also for deviant behavior in the country. So there needs to be a revision of our legislative framework. And we have started, and we have undertaken a whole entire slew of legislative reform and review, which is why we have put in place a Ministry of Legal and Constitutional Reform to pay close attention to that.